In example 6, we are supposed to use completing the square to solve the equation x squared plus 8x plus 10 is equals to 0. And because we are expected to give our answer in third form, we know very well that the equation of ax, or rather, let me just be simple, x squared plus bx, if you want to complete this part of the square, generally you're going to have x plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared. So it is very important that we write the whole of this equation in this particular format, and we can only do so if we now plan to make 10 appear on the right hand side. So rewriting it, we're going to have x squared plus 8x is equals to negative 10. Now we can easily and comfortably complete the right hand side, the square of the left hand side. So we are going to have, completing now the square, we have x plus 8 over 2, which is 4 squared, minus 8 over 2, which is 4 squared, is equals to 10. And of course this gives us x plus 4 squared minus 16, because 4 squared is 16, is equals to not 10 but negative 10, so to speak. Fine. If you bring now negative 16 across, you're going to have x plus 4 squared, which is minus 10 plus 16, which is a 6. And therefore, if you square root both sides, we are going to have x plus 4 is equals to plus or minus the root of 6. Now, if we decide to make positive 4 cross over to make x the subject, we are going to either have x is equals to minus 4 plus root 6, or x is equals to minus 4 minus the root of 6. And those are the two possible answers to that particular question, because we are expected to evaluate or to give our answer in third form. We are not supposed to evaluate it in decimal form. So it is important that you have realized what has happened to 10, because we wanted to rewrite the equation in this simple format. When it is possible, let us take all the constants across and be left with only this part of the quadratic equation. That would be important for everybody to know. Thank you.